fish tacos. The first step for my fish tacos is to make yummy cilantro slaw. Coleslaw mix. 1/4 of a cup of cilantro, juice of a lime, and 1/2 tablespoon of honey. And you need salt and pepper. And we will add the lime juice. And then we will add cilantro. And we need the pepper, salt and pepper. And last but not least, the honey. Now you need to mix and then set to the side. Okay, so now I am going to be taking the fish sticks out of the oven. Time to assemble our fish tacos. Start with a warm flour tortilla and add 2 fish sticks. Yummy. Some of our cilantro slaw. A slice or 2 of some avocado. Some extra cilantro. Of avocado and citrus salad dressing. Fold over this. And you're done! Making fish tacos. I'm going to put parchment paper on my pan. And then I'm going to preheat the oven for 425 degrees. And then I'm going to put my fish sticks on the pan. Then I'm gonna give it to my mom to eat. Sometimes we love to go down to the dog park and down to the Cahaba with our dog. The Cahaba is so beautiful. My dog loves to drink the water from it. And now for our fish nachos. We grate the cheese first. Then we put it onto a baking platter. Then we put the chips on. And you can never have too much cheese, so let's put more on. Buster is waiting very patiently for when he's going to get those nachos. Then put the fish, all that fish on. Those look so good. Now while we let them cook, I like to lay on the floor and look at my dog's cute face. And he loves to help clean up the kitchen. Now we eat.
How are those fish nachos?
Hello, I am Clementine, and I am a Girl Scout, and I am Troop 232, and today I will be making fish stick tacos with these fish sticks that I have in here. Cheese, limes, tortillas, avocado, sour cream, and salt and pepper. Take a bite. dairy-free fish tacos with a spicy coleslaw. First, we're going to cook the fish. I like to use the air fryer. First, for our cabbage slaw, we are going to add the onions. We're going to add the cilantro. We're going to add the olive oil. Got a little bit more in there. There's 2 bowls of lime juice. There's some salt. And then we mix it all together. Make sure you toast your flour tortillas. We're going to add the fish. And then we're going to add the coleslaw. And for a little bit of decoration, we're going to add the avocado, cilantro on top for some garnish. And there you have it, your taco. And for a little bit of spice, you can add some sriracha.